Alright, so yesterday when I was at school, we were doing a whole roast battle with this kid named Caden. I think it was pretty reasonable, but anyway, I made a diss track on him, and I'm gonna have to look off to the side for the lyrics, but let's send it. If I have a beat, I'll just cue it now. Hey yo, JC on the mic, yeah, we sending it today. If you're standing in the line, you better waddle away. Bing bop, boom 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 bop bam. Put your head in the oven and bake it in a pan. You cooked in this bowl, you can water away. Water, this sand don't still any grapes today. Eh? It's just lemonade, and your head is long like a waterway. I'm about to break you like a skeleton in every way. I can tell you straight cause you feminine. I'm the king of this mountain, you just don't specimen. The gap in your teeth belong in the canyons. I'm the lead writer, you just like a pen. Stay in your lane, you're gonna get dusted. Your flow is like your bike, flat and rusted. I mean, it's cool. It's cool. Okay. See you later, chat. I'm gonna make some more diss tracks.